Alright, y'all, what's going on YouTube? Today, it's Monday, so right now I'm gonna find what we're gonna find daily buys, weekly buys. Just gonna be analyzing the charts before we start, and we're trading gold futures again. Today's news is more towards risk on, or actually, it's more risk off. So I'm not sure if we actually want to trade. Probably like one contract today, not too many. But today's news is not too bad. All we have for USD is ISM services PMI, and then for JPY we have bank holiday and GBP bank holiday, so not really much to worry about. Um, but yeah, news is not too bad today. Tomorrow we don't have any news to worry about. So tomorrow we're definitely gonna be watching the charts for a trade. Um so let me pull this up. I was actually looking at the charts yesterday. I was back testing. Um maybe alright. So basically on the monthly we have um a breaker block or order block, either or, it looks like right here. And it looks like price did want to come down, but it's going back up, so it doesn't. I feel like a weekly bias might be bearish. um Huge liquidity down here, or not huge but pretty big enough. um we have a lot of sorry about that. We have, I don't even remember what I was gonna say. All this stuff is in my way. All this shit on my desk. Damn, bro, I really can't remember. Um, Let me look for equilibrium. Actually, might have some of that. So low key, we're kinda in a premium, I guess. Not really. I mean, not premium, discount, but I mean, we were. So price is definitely gonna go up this week, weekly, but on a daily, on the daily, we're definitely bearish. Like, look at this order block. So basically, if you're watching this and you're like, "What's an order block?" I mean, it is what it sounds. It's basically just blocking orders from being filled right here, and it's just like it's gonna retrace. But since these orders are being blocked, it went down a little bit. You see this retracement, it went down, almost going into the order block, but it's just gonna go back up. And yeah, so that's the deal here. And while I was back testing yesterday, actually, um, I realized like a lot because I was back testing like my strategy during London session. I noticed a lot that like whatever I thought the bias was gonna be or whatever, like if I thought it was bearish or bullish, what I thought it'd be the opposite. Why is my camera being weird? Um, hold on, it's trying to be mad weird. Gotta fix it. There you go. But like I was saying, during London session, a lot like I've been learning off of TJR, right? And he called like this looked like a sweep, a London session fake out, and I'm starting to see what he saw when he first started trading, and that's just really real because whatever I thought would happen, um it'd be the opposite of what I'm thinking, and it would honestly that shit would fake me out because it honestly looked like price was gonna go down, boom, shit went up, and then when I thought price was gonna go up, shit went down. So basically, I just started doing kind of the opposite, and sometimes it would work, and I don't want to just be guessing. So it's like kind of with the previous highs and the previous lows, but it does kind of have to do with like before like I place a trade, I'd rather like want to might try to find confluences that help me like I don't know how to explain it, but just go against my bias in a way because that shit it will fake you the fuck out, bro. We might actually deal with that right now, but I'm gonna mark this out on the daily over here. Uh, yeah, so right now we're on a discount for the daily. Um, um, I'm gonna, and usually for me, I don't know why, but like on a London session, checking 4 hour just it hasn't helped me the most, but I think in tonight's case, it definitely will. Um, damn, bro, my back. Oh shit. There's a lot of liquidity down here, but it's below the order block. So like I feel like if I didn't spot that, and liquidity was swept right here, so I feel and the daily bias is bearish. Definitely feel it's gonna go up and come down, but there's just a chance that price might go down within the hour. Um, let me mark out. I'm gonna mark out. Uh, I'm not sure if I might not even make a trade, to be honest, because um this is what I'm looking at. Um like gold is really the main one in risk off, but that just means to make less obviously risk less damn nigga less of a risk and basically like I can't even think. Basically, just not risk much as a contract. We could see that price went down a little bit, but it's still up. But on the hourly, I can't really find any as of now. Can't really find no conferences. Bro, and my cat is coming back in my room. But as I could see, I feel like price isn't going below here. So there's definitely and there's it's a breaker block rate. Breaker block right here. Price didn't go below down here either, so yo. Alright, bro. You're being mad extra. Like, bro, this dude always on me, yo. No, don't grab my neck, bro. Just lay down. Definitely not an order block, but it doesn't price doesn't want to be in here, so it can't rose above. I can't really. It's not too much to go off for in the hourly time frame. Um, I mean, there's this order block. Because as you can see, price doesn't move up above this. And what does this look like in the 5 minute? This is gonna be rough, I'm not gonna lie. Mark this out. another break of structure right here. Unless that's just like, yo, why does this keep getting favorited? Yo, this cat, bro. Hold up, wait a minute. Cause low key, there's like, I think like low key we're in discount on the hourly time frame as well. Nah, we're not. Never mind. Basically though, we're definitely looking bearish. I'm not bearish, bullish, but I want to see what type of small trade we can make and then just call it a day. Because it's risk off on gold, so I'm really like, yo, this dude just never stops bothering me, bro. Damn. So this high, alright. This high was passed. This high was passed. This high was passed, and this high was also surpassed. So basically, what goes up is bound to come down, and obviously this shit is not. It's not really. This fucking cat, yeah. This, but I don't even remember what I was saying. Yo, you could leave me alone, bro. I just, damn, man. But since daily bias is looking bullish, right? Yeah. All right. See, now here's the thing. Since I think it's gonna go down, price might just say fuck me and go up. But based on these confluences, price might go back down again. And look at this high liquidity. It might go down just for the hour, but there's no way price is gonna shoot all the way down here. The hell? Yo, what are you doing, bro? Alright, bro, come up. This dude is so clingy. Pause. Like, bro, I don't want it. Yo, this dude. Get off me. On 5-minute time frame. Let me look for fair value gaps and shit. See, I feel like it looks like it's gonna go up to here and then come back down. But look at this fair value gap. It's either gonna be an inverse fair value gap and then just keep going up to this liquidity and come back down, or shoot back up because of that liquidity. And then there's some liquidity down here, which I don't know, but I'd rather target like areas of movement down here because that's where all like the highs and lows are. So I'd probably like probably what I'm gonna do. Mm, I don't know. That's just a lot of liquidity. Let me mark this up. Um, and then there's this order block as well too. So low key mad confused, but honestly, it's not blocking shit no more. So I feel like now orders are getting filled right in here. And it really is looking like an inverse fair value gap or IFG whatever. So I'm thinking to go short, but for why? I don't know. Maybe I feel since like this price is going up, I might take a short contract. Um, if it goes above here, I'm gonna take a pending buy contract, put it up here, and my stop loss probably gonna be like um my stop loss could be right 260. Ooh, that does not look good. So right here, um, bro, what? How do I put the order? There we go. And then honestly, if price goes below here, that's what we're gonna do. And then here's what it's gonna look like.
Order filled.
Alright, since this is the case, here's what we're gonna do. Putting our TP right here, stop loss right here. Okay, probably put it right here as well. This could also be like the craziest fake out, but I'm trusting like that it's just following this fair value gap, and once it hits that liquidity at 260, 360.8 is what I want to leave it at. I want to have it exactly at that liquidity. I don't want to have it like under or like a little below the liquidity, because I don't want that same thing to happen to me where my TP is about to get hit and it doesn't. And not gonna lie, bro, I'm reaching for the moon and stars with this because this fair value gap. But on the 5 minute, we're kind of in, like, we're accumulating and there's higher highs, so I might just go for a small win and keep it like right around here. And it's alright not to win crazy, but if I lose, completely get it. Cause bro, this London session it's usually faking me out. As I was, even when I was back testing, bro, London session, like I would go through hourly, I would check daily bias, weekly bias, whatever. It something be bullish, then I would be making like I it all line up to be bullish, and then out of nowhere, shit was bearish on that time, just in that little time frame. So that's all I really have. But I'ma just have this like this trade sit for an hour. I don't like how this is uneven. There you go. I have it right here. I might just put the order 326 3268.8. Like, bro, this dude stinks, bro. You stink. Oh my god. I can't even smell that good and you stink, man. Damn. Um, then I have the. Alright, bro. I have this at 60.9. And I have my stop loss. Um, no, don't try no dumb shit, bro, because you stink. I don't want to smell you. Um, but as you can see, fair value gap filled for sure. Um, I do low key see like a 5-man order block, like right here. And if not that, I'm also looking at this too. So I feel like that should just fake me out. So if I actually this TP doesn't hit, I'ma completely understand. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't understand how it could be like a order block just and that fair value gap bouncing up and down. Um or actually my stop loss is right here. But like here's kind of what I'm thinking. If this I don't know, it's not really an order block cuz look, all these orders are in here. It ain't blocking shit. So, I think I'm overthinking it, but that's what it's looking like right now. Um and this itself could be like a little sweep. This could it really though? Yeah, cuz that's definitely a breaker block. And that fair value gap was filled. I feel like if price does go up right here, definitely I can make a little profit and make up what I lost. Um, but if this is that big of a deal where it pushes price to be bullish, then I could definitely have a pending order ready. But but there's 5 minute liquidity resting literally right above. So it's either or, one of them is gonna get hit first. But this dude got hair on my face. But it could be just one of those like up and down movements too. Because these are definitely lower highs compared to this on the 5 minute time frame. But these are like higher highs too from the most recent price action. So I would definitely understand if price goes above here, but at the same time these orders have been filled, so and it's low-key, it's still an order block. Like, well, not really anymore. And I definitely feel like if price moves up towards you, like, feel like a pending order wouldn't be like too crazy, like right here, because there's liquidity literally just waiting to be hit. But right here as well, there's liquidity just waiting. So either or.
Order filled.
Yeah. But like, bro, watch prices go back down. Feel like I could take the exact same trade, cause it didn't go above. I think I was just stopped out. Feel like I could definitely make a trade and just come right back. Here's what I want to do. I kind of want to make a risky play, but I'm just not sure what price is doing right now. And this shit is just accumulating because price, it wanted to go down, came back up. It wanted to go up, came back down. Price now it's just like it doesn't know what to do. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it pending sell order. I just, dude, I don't know. I mean, let me mark this up. Like this right here is a breaker block. Up here, I could put a pending buy order. Like price is definitely bullish. It's bullish for the day. It's not right now. Or not right now, it's like figuring out what it wants to do. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put pending buy order right here for a small win. And down here, if price goes low enough, we're gonna put a pending sell order. And just for a small win because there's liquidity right here. This too is also like limit sell. That's when to sell for buy. And this as well, limit buy. This is like putting your stop loss or your TP before, like before you even buy. So honestly, just gonna let price move, do what it wants. Like that's what I'm saying. Definitely a fake out. Like I sold, boom, I'm stopped out. London session is not easy, yo. And it's confusing whether to buy or not in this because this fair value gap, because it's kind of being filled, it's being filled as we speak, but we don't know if it's gonna be an inverse fair value gap, or just it's gonna retrace back down into this breaker block. See what's going on the 1 minute. Yeah, so higher highs and lower highs. It's crazy break of structure right here. Price definitely looks like it's gonna go down. Or well, actually, that's a higher high, but it's still lower from this. But it looks like we're in a premium. It's just with what we got right now, it doesn't look convincing. We're not really in a premium anymore, but we were. Shit, we might be in another one. Because we're in one right here. And it looks like price is gonna go higher. Well, actually, hold on. This low and this high. We already hit discount. So I mean, I don't really care about the discount right now because that's just not gonna help us. I'm not gonna lie, with the setup I have, like the pending orders and their pending TPs, I feel like I could just go to bed right now and one of them will hit. Hold on. Yo, this dude just don't leave me alone. Get out my room, bro. You fucking stink. Like you stink, bro, and I can't smell too good. Where you at, bro? Um, yeah, I'm just gonna let Price. I'm gonna see what Price does. I'm gonna update you guys. This video is long as hell. Um, so I'm gonna pause it real quick. I'm gonna catch you guys. Alright, guys. So basically, it's been like I think 20 minutes since I paused that, y'all. Um, so like the reason Price didn't pass this is because of this square block right here, and I just didn't spot it. And now price is going up, and I do want to buy, but I just put my pending order right there because I don't want to buy now. And then when the time comes, it's like boom, price starts going down. Like that's just mad dumb, bro. I just don't want to make that mistake. Um, but honestly, lesson learned from this. Um, what's it called? I tried it. I tried it. I tried putting in a short position when I knew biases like for everything daily, weekly, monthly, everything was bullish. So that's on me. I tried trading it against the trend, and cuz like yeah, I looked right at first, but now that I'm looking at it, I was just thinking about it. Um I was wrong. I was trading against a trend, and obviously it looks like a downtrend, like kind of in this, like before. Just imagine this part's not here, but like it kind of looks like it, but really that's on me. um so yeah, uh it's just, bro, when you're trading lending session, usually there's like, bro, that should be baiting you, bro. Like it be crossing you up, it be hitting that hezzy, everything. um but price is moving up, so it this definitely looks like a IFVG or inverse, or inverse balance, whatever, imbalance. Bro, this dude stinks so fucking bad, bro. No, stop. But I mean, it's whatever. Get down, bro. Um, but yeah, that's all I got right now. I'm gonna keep my buy order above this fair value gap because I don't. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep it a little bit above because I don't trust it going right there. I feel like it do the type of shit where it goes up and comes straight down. But yeah, so we're looking at right now. Um, and on the hourly, higher, we got higher highs, so looking good. Honestly, price looks like I could just buy that shit right now and it would hit like up here. So, dude, if I could take, because I just put a limit to where I can make 2 trades a day in case I see another trade, or if I literally know that the trade I took, I got stopped out, but I know that trade is gonna go there. I feel like, bro, because the other day I made a trade where it's going, I was buying on dips and selling, so I sold like right here, bought right here on a 5 minute time frame, of course, and that's how I like got my progress back, made like 800. Like both, they were both. It was like a short and a long position. So That's what we got going on. I'm about to buy right now, man. Orders were shit, so I'm gonna get rid of this. This shit is so tempting to buy. But you know, I'm more disciplined than that, so. And it's not about the money, it's about the skill. Lock in. If this does hit, here's what we're gonna do. Probably put it to around. Damn, bro, this shit, low key, bro, this shit is edging me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm low key glad it didn't get hit, cause I'd rather it not get hit sometimes, cause it just gets hit and then goes down. Which, like, bro, see, exactly what I'm talking about. Matter of fact, let me put this right back. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about, bro. If it was any lower than what it was.
Order filled.
I don't know where to put my stop loss. And this is what I'm talking about, bro. I did not want this to get hit, just to go down. But 470. This I'll make it 1 to 1. Where's 250 at? Yeah, it'll be 1 to 1. If I can't win, I'd rather stop my loss. Like, I'd rather make up for my loss. No, bro, you gotta get out. Alright, you stink. stinky ass fucking cat, bro. Like, bro, let me do lesson. Like, that's mad close. Pop out. Pop out. Nah, tomorrow though is gonna be a better. Like, I'm not gonna blame it on news because news is like it's at 10 a.m. But still, like tomorrow's gonna be way better because or way easier. I feel because there isn't any news. So, um, yeah. Feel like people are gonna be more risk on for gold tomorrow. And yeah, cause right now USD is up, so like gold is down. Everything that is USD is going down. Um, so yeah. Honestly, bro, if this shit hits my stop loss, it's on me. Like I could have really just took a small win right here. I don't know how I didn't see that. And then probably gonna do some back testing later. And then yeah. And this is where it's gonna retrace. See, now I'm thinking like, like this order, not order, this imbalance definitely been filled. Now what is it doing? Because it almost went above it. Literally hit my pending order too. So now I'm like I'm lost. It's OD hot. Stop loss probably wasn't the greatest placement, but honestly, you'd rather lose less and more. Bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's about to be 4. This trade is not looking good. So honestly, my my stop loss probably gonna get hit. So if it's not, y'all will find out tomorrow because there's no point in doing a trade recap. I did this whole like trade live, so I'll let y'all know in the next video. But today is day, no clue. I don't know. Once it hits 5, I'm gonna see what it does. I mean 4. And y'all can see that too. Wait, let me see if this John is on the same time as. Or I know it's 4, but that John didn't change. Bro, it's like 10 seconds late. Yeah. Oh, it's whatever. Also, guys, in the summer, like, I'm gonna be trading on this session as well because I'm gonna be working all the time. But for June, like earlier June, I'm probably gonna be trading New York session when school ends because I don't have school to worry about. But I have work to worry about, so yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. I'll let you guys know if this trade hit TP or not. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys. Peace.